in 10% or 20% cases, productivity actually goes up, right? And so like this slide covers a very good structured tuning workflow that I think works well for like those individual loops. But then if we're like looking at hundreds of loops at the same time, that's where we do need tools like PlantESP and Loop Pro and so on and so forth. The characterization, bump test, step test, which help us to understand those dead times and such. Identifying the disturbances. So for our processes, a lot of the times there are various impurities, but also like some impurities, either they can cause productivity to go down, which is understandable. But then in 10% or 20% cases, productivity actually goes up, right? So understanding some of those disturbances and which are the likely sources for them, those are key. Calculating and implementing, same thing. I've seen Loop Pro coming up with those really good starting points that helps us implement the tunings. And then a lot of times some of the satisfying parts of my on-site commissionings is the validation of performance. Once you've done your work, you followed your process, you implemented these tunings, and then you're working on like that, the last 10%. Do step tests, do look into the test disturbances, and then compare the recovery against behavior.